Blood red parrot shishlid. I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. That's so cool. Alright, next one. Are these babies? Yeah, these are cute. These are the baby ones. Oh, look at that guy. It's so cool. No way. Oh, here, hey. Alright, here's chains. Go through the chains again. Oh. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Look! That's huge! Look at that guy. That's massive. Yeah, I already can see that. That is massive. Look at that. That's so big. This is called a red belly pacu. Or what? Oh, okay, cool. Alright, next one. Archer fish. What are archer fish? Oh my gosh, they have these little orange ones. Oh, that's an archer fish. Okay. Alright, next one. That's cool. What? They didn't even say the name. These are massive. There's no name. What the? Oh, look, that's so big. That's a shark. That's not a fish.